Welcome to day 7 of the 5 Luo words a day. Today we talk about the aboma. Aboma. Aboma is when you pack something loosely without care. Then we say iketo aboma. Iketo aboma. Maybe in a sack or in a cloth. Aboma or oboma. Oboma. Oboma is a pipe used for smoking hemp or sometimes referred to as nyalowo. 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 Aboma, oboma or nyalowo. Abong'o. 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 That's a bracelet made from leather. Usually it's painted red because there was a natural ochre color. Abong'o. Aboro. Aboro. That's 8. Aboro. Mar aboro. The 8th one. Mar aboro. Sa aboro. Sa aboro. It's 2 o'clock. Sa aboro. Remember, it's 8 o'clock means 8 means aboro, so 8 hours past sunrise. Abu. Abu. That's a wind instrument made from calabashes and animal horns at its mouthpiece. It is usually blown during important occasions such as when an elder passes on. Abu. Abu. And finally, Abu. Abu. A child born when sounding an abu would be called Abu. Abu. I hope you had a great day and see you tomorrow.